Today, we are going to look at the part 2 of models and semi-models. If you look at page 103 in your textbook close up, you will see models and semi-models part 2. So, there are still some more functions that you will have to learn under this topic, and the functions are obligation, necessity, prohibition. Okay, obligation. Obligation ni macam kamu perlu membuat sesuatu sebab kamu rasa terhutang budi. Okay, necessity, kamu perlu membuat. Kamu perlu buat benda tersebut. Obligation is more like kamu rasa terhutang, so you got to do it. And then necessity, kamu perlu buat, mesti kena buat. Prohibition, dilarang. Benda-benda yang dilarang daripada dibuat. Okay, and then we also have lack of obligation. Tak semestinya kamu kena buat. Lack of obligation, tak perlulah rasa terhutang budi, kamu sebenarnya tak perlu buat pun. Okay, that one. And then we also have lack of necessity. Lack of necessity is like it's not a must thing for you to do it. Permission, semua orang tahu macam meminta kebenaran. Request dengan permission. Permission is meminta kebenaran. Request meminta tolong. Okay? Request meminta tolong. So di sini ada beberapa ayat, kita tengok bersama. So we will try to match it together. So can I go to the library please? What is it? Is it obligation, necessity, prohibition, lack of obligation, permission or request? You can borrow my new game if you like. You will have to match them. Okay, so in your notebook, what I want you to do is I want you to write functions of models. I want you to copy down obligation, necessity, prohibition, lack of obligation, permission, request. For each one, I want you to write only one sentence or one question. Only that. Only one example for each function. One example for each function. That's what you got to do. Okay. So can I go to the library please? That is permission. That is permission. You can borrow my new game if you like. You're giving permission also. Could you get me a glass of water please? Could you? Kamu minta sesuatu. So it will be request. You may leave when you finish the test. You are giving a permission. May we have another ice cream please? Siapa yang tak suka kan? So you are requesting. I must make some snacks for the birthday party. I must make some snacks for the birthday party. Necessity. You have to be at the sports club by 7 o'clock. You have to be. So, obligation. You need not buy any milk because there is some in the fridge. Lack of necessity. I don't have it here, so I'll just put it in lack of obligation. Okay, and you have to find one for lack of obligation. Okay, so I want you to copy down these sentences, not all eight. I just want you to write down these functions. You have to write down these functions and then give an example for each from the sentences that I have written here. That's already good enough. Okay, then after that, followed by that, oh, we have got another one. I thought we are done. We don't have to go to the festival if you don't want to. Lack of obligation. Okay. So this lack of obligation. So this is lack of obligation. And I forgot to write lack of necessity just now. So I'm just writing it here so you will know. Okay, lack of necessity. Okay. So later, please copy the sentences accordingly in your book. The same thing, if you have not done yet, we have already covered functions of models, the part 1. And I would like you to also have these functions in your book, okay, and you must copy these functions in your book, and each function, setiap function tu kena ada satu example. Okay, kita dah pernah pun buat benda ni sebelum ni, teacher dah hantar dah video. Okay, so teacher nak kamu tuliskan satu example untuk setiap function ni. So semuanya kat buku kamu kena ada 12 function. 12 function, 12 example kamu dah kena salin. Okey, bagi yang dah lupa, yang belum lagi tengok, okey, kita akan buat sekali lagi. Ability. Harry could be in the library. So this one is possibility. We might go to the cinema tonight. Possibility. You must be tired. You have been exercising. So this one is certainty. My granddad can speak 7 languages. Can. So it shows ability. Francis was able to go to mountain climbing at the weekend. Ability. You should eat more fruits and vegetables. Suggestion. You ought to make an appointment to see the doctor. Advice. Okay. So yang ni pun sama, di mana kamu salin satu example bagi satu function. Okay. So once you're done with that, what I want you to do is, I want you to look at the quizzes link. Okay, look at the quizzes link and complete the activity C. Complete activity C on page 103. It's on quizzes link. You just need to complete that activity. And also, please complete the activity below in this Google form. Am I clear? I hope I'm clear enough. If there's any question, don't hesitate. Please do message me. Kalau ada sebarang soalan, tolong PM teacher. Okay, thank you class.